Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I try to teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrency, how to save your buying power, most importantly, how to be profitable. Right now, guys, we can see that the markets are looking fantastic. We have a little bit of red here and there. Actually, all these coins that you do see red right now are coins to watch. Ethereum and Cardano, Solana, these are going to be some massive gainers. But we are going to be doing some Bitcoin TA. We're going to do some quick Ethereum TA. We're going to do some altcoin TA because, guys, you're not ready for what's about to happen. If you appreciate that I take my time to make these videos, to bring these to you, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you can stay up to date when I post a video. As we can see on CoinMarketCap, the entire market cap is up 4.2%. We have a sea of green all over the place. Top gainers, we have Phantom, Wave, XRP, Icon, Dash, Avalanche. We're going to talk about Avalanche in a little bit, and Polkadot as well. And here I want to show you guys real quick that I had mentioned this coin Senso a week ago, and only 342 people saw it. So this is kind of like, I need to understand this. So when I post this video, like big gains, 1,200 people view this, and I guess it's because of the how I write the title, obviously. But like when you saw something that you didn't know about, not a lot of people were interested. So I posted that a week ago, and as you guys can see, this coin has been literally skyrocketing since I mentioned it. And guys, my channel is not big enough to be pumping coins. 100% not. We did 150% since that I had posted that video about a week ago. And like some people were writing in the comment like, dude, did you pump Senso? I'm not that big, guys. I'm not that big. This channel is just trying to help some of you guys understand how cryptocurrencies work. I've been in this space for a while. I have experience in understanding what projects may be undervalued. And obviously, as they start moving, people start noticing them, and that can cause the price to accelerate to the upside. I'm still very bullish on Senso. We're just having a little cool down, but I do think that Senso is going to pick back up, and this thing's going to go parabolic. Why do I think that? Because it only has about under a 15 million market cap, which is super, super tiny. So any amount of money can move this, but keep in mind, this is going to be very volatile in the future. So because it has a small market cap, it's going to be very volatile. So with that said, when I post a video and I say 20x gem and I make a specific video about a specific coin, and not like a bunch of coins, you guys definitely need to take these seriously, because if I take my time to make that video, it's because I do believe that the upside potential for that project is very big. And I also did the same thing for Terra Virtua and 1inch, and these already did over 20x since I posted these videos 3 months ago. And yeah, so let's get back to the chart and let's take a look at what Bitcoin is up to. Guys, I am extremely bullish on crypto right now. I always am, but right now, like as you can see, Bitcoin did exactly what I said it was going to do. So I literally want to go back to this video, which a lot of you didn't even a lot of you did not even kind of like watch. It's only like 77 views, and I want to show you what I had mentioned here is right here. Check. We can come back to retest this 52,000 level, and that wouldn't be a bad thing. So yeah, we did exactly that. We came back and retested this 52,000, and guys, look at this volume right now coming in. Look at this volume coming in, and we're breaking out of this 200 EMA, which is what had worried me this entire time with Bitcoin. And guys, look at this candle. I am confident that the bulls are back in control. So I'm really excited for where we're going here. So as this is happening, something else is also looming in the shadows, that which I'm just gonna bring back to you guys. And I know I've mentioned this a lot of times, is the Bitcoin dominance continues to tank. The Bitcoin dominance continues to tank, and this is why your altcoins are going to make you rich, and they're going to keep pumping. Right now, we're seeing a lot of strength from Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin, but the amount of money flowing into the whole market a lot of it is going to altcoins. Another chart that I wanted to pull up real quick for you guys. This is the total market cap of all crypto here, which you can see that after we had these pullbacks, it keeps basically going to making all-time highs. What I want to show you, so this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies, and sitting at 2 trillion, 2.1 trillion. And now this is the market cap of all altcoins, including Ethereum, excluding Bitcoin. Look how this recovery in altcoin is much more like complete than this one with all the market caps. Basically, this is Bitcoin holding all the other the total market cap down. You know what I mean? So right now, altcoins are about to make a new altcoins are about to make a new all-time high, which is literally going to make us go parabolic. And what I want to show you guys is, I want to show you guys what I see, couple levels that we may reach, because I do think that this is going to be amazing. So if I do take from last time we had a major pullback like this, and then we broke that all-time high, which is exactly where we are right here, like something like right here to right here, and I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna add it to exactly where we are now. We can expect to see maybe altcoins reaching 1.5 trillion. And yeah, so you can only imagine. So if that does happen, we can see like the whole entire market cap hitting 3 trillion very quickly. So I'm really excited for that. I'm really excited to see what happens next. Obviously, no one has a crystal ball. No one can tell the future. We can only try to estimate the probability of something happening using technical analysis. And as you can see here, I've been telling you guys multiple times, guys, altcoin season is here. And here it is. Here it is. Your altcoins are about to go parabolic thanks to this chart, and you need to understand that. So I'm going to try to keep this video quick. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I want you guys to be ready, because guys, we're about to make a lot of money. We're about to make some big, massive gains, and I'm really excited for all of you guys that have been following my channel. If you're holding literally half of the coins that I've been mentioning, you're in such a good place, better place than a lot of people that still haven't even dipped their toes in this market. So a couple coins that I wanted to kind of like touch up on and definitely talk to you guys about. First, Avax. So I know I mentioned Avax a lot in the past, but there's a lot. So there's a lot of coins right now, guys. They're going off the move. We got Matic going off the move. Let's see. We have all these coins going off the roof. I would be doing you a disservice if I'm showing you coins that are already pumping. Like obviously, like look at Burger. Burger is going crazy right now. We have Senso also is going crazy. We have all these coins going crazy. But what I want to show you guys is that I want to teach you how to pick them up before that happens. Okay. And we have Avax that's been going sideways for over months now and is ready to break out. Okay. This double bottom actually comes to here now, because this is, you can see that W pattern in between these. And guys, Avax is getting ready to move. I want you guys to be in the know of what's getting ready to move, so that you don't chase pumps. You accumulate them when they're undervalued, and you get ready to take your profits when they start pumping. All right. So that is really, 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 really important. Another one that I want to talk to you guys real quick about is Atom. Atom, guys, Atom is making moves, is making major moves. And Atom, I've already told you guys about Atom. We're not going to get into the fundamentals. I'm going to do quick TA. Atom, I do think, is another undervalued gem. This thing, so as you can see, Ethereum's going to pump. Everything related to Ethereum or slightly similar or competitive to Ethereum is going to pump, because people are going to start speculating what's next. Okay, that's why you're going to see Atom pumping, you're going to see Avax pumping, and you're going to see Cardano, Luna. So yeah, so Atom is another one to keep an eye on. As you can see, this thing has been going sideways for a few months, but now this support level has been held in so strong. This was the best time to accumulate around this level here. That's why I have this accumulation zone here. We have a breakout from that. Expect some resistance maybe at that 25 $26 range, but right now Atom's sitting at $22. It's extremely undervalued. All right, let's move to the next one. The next one I want to talk about is ADA. ADA, guys, is going to be making some big moves, and I'm going to show you guys why. Obviously, we had some weakness here. We saw ADA basically coming back down to these levels. So gonna need to kind of like adjust this a little bit. As you can see, this was one of those major support levels for ADA, Cardano. And what we can also notice is how well it supported it. And now we're breaking all these resistance levels. ADA is about to re-enter price discovery, and we all know what happens when ADA enters price discovery. When ADA entered price discovery here, after going sideways for a few weeks, when ADA entered price discovery back here, after going sideways for a few weeks, we're going to see some explosive action. What excites me the most about ADA, though, is its comparisons against Bitcoin. So as you can see, ADA versus Bitcoin, we are in the uptrend. We've been in the uptrend, and we just have this major resistance that we're going to face right here. But if ADA is in price discovery against USD, but it's not even halfway there against Bitcoin. So if we do see the Bitcoin dominance continue to go down and Cardano still pumping, we're going to see some extreme price action for Cardano. Another one that I want to touch up on with you guys real quick is Luna. Luna, I've been a big fan of Luna. I've been telling people IG Luna since $1, $1.80. We Patreon, we're buying Luna around $4. I mentioned Luna on YouTube for the first time around $8, and we're still up on our money. The reason I'm bringing Luna again is because Luna right now is doing something fantastic. One, I called this on my Patreon group. We literally broke out of this, and we already saw some extreme price movement for Luna. What I absolutely loved for Luna is the fact that we literally came back, tested this 200 EMA, okay, and we also tested my box, accumulation box, which was also serving as support for a while until it broke and became kind of like a resistance. And then when we broke it, we came back and retested it again as support. This makes me feel that Luna's about to fly. On top of that, we can see that on the MACD, we have a bullish cross, that the the blue is over the orange. So this is really excited for Luna. I'm a big believer in Luna. I do think that it's going to have a really good purpose when it comes to cryptocurrencies and building stable coins and DeFi, all of that. So keep an eye on Luna. So the another one that I wanted to touch up on, and you guys know how much I love this coin, it's TVK. And the reason I want to touch on it is because, guys, a lot of you has been asking me, what about TVK? What about TVK? TVK has bottomed officially, and we have a V-shaped recovery for TVK. So I do expect that TVK is going to start moving to the upside very quickly. If you had missed, so this is the thing about people and the psychology of the mind. When TVK was at $1, everyone wanted to buy it. Now that TVK is sitting at 50 cents, none of you want to buy it? Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is the best time. This is the best time. You're literally accumulating this thing at the bottom. Just by getting it here and waiting for it to go back to its all-time high is easy money. Easy money. That would be 125% gains, all right? Why do I think TVK bottom? One, it looks like we bottom. Two, we broke over this 200 EMA on the 1 hour, and I believe we also did on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're just sitting right on it, but we did test it, and we still got a long from the EMA on the 4 hour, which is tends to be bullish. Last time we did have, this one was a fake out. Last time we did have was before we had this huge massive pump. So TVK, guys, keep your eyes on TVK. This is one of the NFT platforms that has the most partnerships when it comes to movies, brands, and so on. So this thing, in my opinion, is going to have its time and is going to perform extremely well. So the last coin that I want to touch up on really quickly, because I want you guys to have all this information very quickly so you can make the better decision. And all these coins this is not financial advice, but most of these coins are just on the safer side of things, and you just got to pick them up from the bottom so that you can benefit. So the last one I want to touch on is DOT. Dot. We all know how much I love Polkadot, and we all know how long ago I've been telling you guys get in Polkadot. And I know I say this every time I talk about Polkadot, but back here when a lot of you were panic selling, I have this video and I say you're gonna regret it if you sold Polkadot at $7. And look at Polkadot now. What I'm telling you guys right now again is Polkadot is going to do something massive. Okay, massive. The way this chart is positioning itself, it's been going sideways and accumulating for over 2 months also. Okay, because it needs to cool down after all this price action. It needs to cool down, but right now we are on the rise again. We just need, you can see this is going to be a resistance level, and we also have the 200 EMA. But look how we broke out of it, and then now we're using this 200 EMA as a support level before we break out. So I do think that a lot of projects are coming out on Polkadot this year, and this is one of the greatest projects to hold. It is going to challenge Ethereum and also Cardano. So I'm really excited to see how that plays out. Yep. All right, guys, this is all that I have for this video, guys. I hope that you guys got some good information for that, and that it helps you with your decision making and making some profits in this market. And yeah, if you appreciate that I take my time to make this video and bring it up to you, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you can get notified of when I post my videos. All right, that's all I got for you guys. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe, and most importantly, future proof.